Google is big. From the search engine to Android, it has developed so many services that billions of people use every day. It has also developed over 100 apps that power Android phones. What are those apps? Today, we'll be covering the 60 of those common apps developed by Google. So, let's get into it. Starting with Google Maps, the app is a navigation tool that allows you to get from one location to another. It also lets you see the local businesses, their rating, photos and more. The app is so big that Google had to release a Go version of Google Maps for slow devices. Talking about big apps, we have YouTube. YouTube is a video streaming app where users can watch free videos and creators make money. Like Maps, Google developed separate apps for different audiences. For example, YouTube Music is an application that focuses on music. YouTube Kids is an application for kids, and YouTube VR allows you to watch videos in virtual reality with the help of Daydream. Google is also the most used email service, and its application called Gmail is used all over the world. Well, you need a Google account to use most Android features, so why not use Gmail with it? Talking about your account, it also gives you access to Google Docs, Slides and Google Sheets. Docs is a document app, Slides is a presentation app, and Sheets is a spreadsheet app. With all those apps, it would be great to have a note-taking app, Google. You got it, user. Here is a brand new app called Google Keep. It's simple enough for everyone to use. Thanks, but a keyboard app would also be nice, to type with. Well, here is Gboard then. It's now pre-installed on most Android devices. Businesses can also modify their business by using the Google My Business app. It's a solution for owners to edit timing, reply to reviews, and post updates. Some of those reviews may be in different languages, So Google developed a translate service and app that can be used to translate text, voiceovers, and even hard copies of documents. Similar to Translate, they developed an app called Lens. It can be used to search for stuff in photos. For example, a piece of text that you don't want to type. Don't worry, take a photo and copy the text. It's that simple. Talking about simplicity, Google also developed the News app to help you stay up to date with the world in the simple way possible. Alright, we completely forgot about Chrome, used by more than 60% of the internet. It's a powerful browser with security features installed. It has some other children apps such as Beta version, Chrome Developer, etc. But the one that you might not have heard of is Chrome Remote Desktop, which can be used to access your computer from your Android device. Google has also put itself into photo viewing and editing. Google Photos is a photo and video viewer and editor. It's strong enough to make you feel good about your memories. Snapseed is another photo editor with lots of editing options. Lastly, the Photo Scan app allows taking photos of hard photos and saving them digitally. Now, being the parent company of Android, Google has released some essential apps. Those include Messages that use the internet these days, Clock that can set alarms, timers and stopwatches. We also have Calculator, Files, Google Assistant, Voice, Calendar, Phone and Contacts. Thanks to Google, we get 15 GB of free cloud storage. A service called Google Drive is used for that. And yes, there is an app that allows you to use this service on your phone. Cloud storage is not just for the drive. It's used against your email attachments, photos and more. But how do you manage all this? Thankfully, an app called Google One has all the features you need to manage your data. Let's move to the next part. You find communication apps developed by Google. For starters, there is Google Duo to make voice and video calls. There is Chat, used by teams to communicate securely. And there are Hangouts and Meet, a combination of Duo and Chat allowing you to chat and call people. Google has released many tools for developers too. If you are a YouTube creator, Studio is an app to manage your channel. Suppose you use Blogger, an app with the same name is available to use. If you are an Android app developer, the app called Google Play Developer can help in managing your apps. If you have a site with analytics, you can check your stats using the app. Or if you want to learn to program, Grasshopper is here to help. What makes Google great is that you find apps in almost every industry. If you are into geography, Google Earth is a great app to view our beautiful planet. For those who want to use their phones to pay, here is Google Pay. Go walletless. Do you have some tasks to track? Here is the Tasks app. Are you a podcast listener? Here is the Podcast app. Oh, hang on. I don't want a podcast app. Do you have a book app? Yes, we do. Here is Google Play Books, where you can read and listen to books. What if I want to record lectures and stuff? Hey, don't worry. If you have an eligible phone, you can record lectures using the Recorder app. It will convert the lecture to text as you go. You wanna be a healthy boy? Here is Google Fit. It has all you need. You lost your phone, use Find My Device to find it. You can even install the premium Android apps for free by using the Google Opinion Rewards app that sends you quick service and gives you Play credit. Do you drive a car with a fancy LED screen? Here is Android Auto. It helps you stay safe while driving. You can navigate, call people, and play music without touching your phone. Google is so big that it has developed phones, smart speakers, and even doorbells. But how do you manage all that? We have Google Home for that. The company even has an app called Play Games that allows you to track your score even in small eligible games. It even offers an app to change your wallpaper every day automatically. What else do you need? You want to securely log into your account? They developed the Authenticator app. You like to see streets and places before going? Why not use Google Street View to find the nearby parking and entrances? Google is a complete package for Android users. Alright, I'm tired now, so I will cover the last few apps quickly. Google Family Link is a parental control app for parents. Google Classroom helps teachers and students connect easily. Teachers can use the app to help students learn, while students can use the app to study. The Google Cardboard app can be used for virtual reality. It works with cardboard VR devices. The second last app is Lookout by Google. The app is designed to help people, especially those with low vision. You can capture photos of bills, documents, and objects near you, and the app will help you recognize them. Finally, Toontastic can help people draw animated characters and bring them to life. The app can be used for storytelling, learning, and fun. That was quite the ride. Anyway, this is it for this video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and please comment if you found a new app today. I'll catch you later. Adios.